Oh!
There we go. Okay, we're good.
Did you just do a friplet?
Yeah. Oh, that's it.
That's how you go down it.
Let's go! I can't make it up the other way. Keep flipping over backwards. No back.
Kind of neat I found that. I mean, you know.
Yeah.
What are the chances that you would have seen it? I mean,
I don't know.
Oh,
That was weird. If I wouldn't have went over that way and walked through there weird, I wouldn't have seen it.
yeah, exactly.
Oh, man.